Hey guys, today we are starting our day. So now the time is it's 2 more minutes to 5:20. Today I'm really excited to show you something really new. We are going to try our Himalayan 450 in the beach. Starting our day, let's start. So starting the bike, it's 5:20 cold start. Let's see how it is starting up. Ah, hey, I forgot my helmet. Okay, we'll anyway have to go back. Oh. So now we have completed our prayer. It's 5:46. Before that, we'll do some cardio for 30 minutes at least. Otherwise, I'll feel dull. Let me complete my activity before going for this ride. Okay? This is our gym. Let's switch on the AC. Since I'm single today, just me, we will just have one light, one AC. That's enough, more than enough. Okay? We'll keep our bag here. That's a tank bag which I purchased from Rhinox. Play some music. So this is the cardio which I usually do. Elliptical. This is elliptical. This is from Afton Fitness. I'm kind of comfortable in doing that. Let's do it. So this is me. We will do cardio. Okay? Hope you are able to see me. Let's complete our cardio today. Let's play some music. I like Ricky Martin. So now we have completed 8 laps in 30 minutes. Let's proceed for riding. Usually I'll recite to Quran recitation. So because there was no battery, my camera died. So now we have completed our cardio. So now we will start for the day. Sun has already come out, so we will not be able to see the sunrise. Hopefully we might get to see some sunrise. So let's watch that, okay? But before that, we forgot our helmet, and we'll go and get back our helmet. So before starting our day, let's have this amla, empty stomach. This will help reducing the blood sugar. That's what they say. So let's have some amla. Okay. Very bitter. In life, we have to taste all the tasting. Bitter, sweet, and then spicy. Everything. It has to be mixture. Only then the life is complete. And then we will drink some fresh lemon juice. And then we will have this methi soaked in water overnight. This is all my daily morning routine. After I complete my workout, I will drink this. This helped me a lot in reducing weight, lower my sugar level. This is my helmet. Okay, I have Sana 5S installed, and then Rode lavalier mic. Okay, hope you are able to see it. So this is my Royal Enfield helmet, and then Insta360 Go S mount, and then GoPro mount. This is a Royal Enfield helmet. It's weigh around 1.5 kilos. This is my bike. Okay. So this is my bike. I have old tank bag. This is a Guardian Gears tank bag. I'll try to tell you the price. It's stuck to this bike using a magnet, nothing else. And I don't want this tank bag to come here because I find it little difficult to ride. So that is why I have kept it like this. But this doesn't require any strap to hold because it is already sticking to the magnet only. See, if you see this is a magnet. It has a strong magnet and it can hold in place, but still this bag, while I'm riding the bike or I'm standing in the signal, people can just take this away. So that is why I have put some straps, just 2 straps for safety, and apart from that, holding the bike with the help of magnet. This is one tank bag, and this is another small tank bag which I have. This is a handlebar bag which I got it from Trek and Ride. So these two things are from Guardian Gears. I wanted something smaller, so that is why I went with this tank bag. Okay, so guys, this is my bike. Here I have my mirror mount for cameras. This is an Insta360 Go 3S camera mount which comes with the box. Unfortunately, unfortunately there is no charge in the battery. So inside this I have Insta1X3 and Insta360 Go. I will put it inside. Since it is drizzling outside, you see that is why I have kept it like this. I have put the camera inside. Let's see if I am able to capture some drone footage at least. Okay, so this is my bike. Okay, this is a between cycle bag. I have few cycles, one EV cycle and a normal cycle. Here inside this I have a between water bottle, small water bottle. I just put it inside. One strap goes here, one strap goes here. Just two strap. That's it. It will hold in place. You can see it in the video. Okay, let's start the ride. Already we have started a ride. My battery is very low, so this is my setup. I'm sure. Okay, let me show you. So this is my setup. Okay, there is a mic and I have started my ride. Okay, so all these things are there. We started a ride. I see a lot of people. I thought of going in easier road, but I see a lot of people going on this side or Weimar road. So this is Infosys. Okay, so battery is very less. So let's start the ride. Okay, actually I have not planned or I'm not joining with any other riders, but I see a lot of bikers going in this road especially. So let me also join with these guys. Okay, let's start the day. See, Triumph Tiger. We see a lot of bike, Moto Tech. Okay, I'm already loving my bike so much. I love this bike so much. I don't know why. It gives me a good feel and it's compatible with everything. My tank bag, and I wanted to put it. My tank bag is there. Golden. What is this? Golden Rider small tank bag. I want. This is my old tank bag which I purchased for my Himalayan 411, and there is one more tank bag which I have it there. So everything stays in place. And my another Rhinox tank bag which I wanted to put it as a. I don't want to tie it. And I wanted to just stick it with the magnet, so I'm able to do that. Everything is compatible. I'm really already enjoying it. Okay, I guess this tram guy is into some serious biking, because his gadgets and riding gear seems to be like he's going for some long ride. Okay, hey, here one more guy. Okay, what is this bike? Ducati, is it? We get to see a lot of bikes in this road just on Sunday. Actually it was drizzling and I thought of dropping this plan of going to ECR road. Luckily I just went ahead and started the ride. This bike is already so comfortable with all these accessories. I'm so happy about it. I cannot express how happy I am. I think Cyclathon or HCL cycle ride starts from here, Hunter SD. I just asked this guy. This is the guy actually I was inquiring about, like either to take Weimar road or ECR road, because like I see a lot of cops in this ECR road. Unnecessarily they will catch. It is not. You will not face this kind of problem anywhere else. In Chennai especially, you will have a lot of problems. So that is why I was asking about it. ECR road is completely blocked. So because of that cycling ride, so we will have to return back. Okay, because of that cyclathon or the road is completely blocked, so we will not be able to go to ECR road until 8:30. Only after 8:30 we can go. So now what is the time actually? 7:30. So it takes one more hour. Only then we can go. Let's see what the other guy is trying to do. Wind noise is really heavy. I'm not sure if you are able to capture the wind noise, but let's see. Okay. இப்போ நான் எப்படி போகணும்? ECR road போகணும். அப்பா, thank you sir. அண்ணா திருப்பூர் எவ்வளோ தூரம்ண்ணே? ரொம்ப சுத்தி. And so we cannot use this road as well. So in the meanwhile, I just want to check if all the bags are staying safe. So this is how it is. Okay, this is strong solid. This is strong solid. This is strong solid. I suspect this will fall down at any point of time, because like the magnets are very loose. There is no catching point for this magnet, so that is the problem here. Okay, so and this one actually stays strong without the tag, I guess so. I see a lot of bikers going. I think they are going to go. They are going to return back. Let's see. See, there is one more bike going very fast. Let's follow their plan maybe. Let's see if we are able to get through. Too much of loud noise. Actually, green jacket guy doesn't even have a exhaust, and that black Continental GT has no aftermarket exhaust. That is what I see. I see too much of Royal Enfields. Okay, Himalayans, 411, 450, Then meet you at 650. Oh my god, wow. Wow, it's nice to see. I'm the only one without a jacket. I think these guys are going out for some other purpose. I'm not sure about it. Oh, 411. Continental Interceptor 650. Wow. Nice setup. We are going for some other purpose. I see a lot of wind noise. Let's see if the DJ mic is able to capture that. Okay. Oh wow. That's 650. Continental 650. Himalayan 411 is the one who's leading. So the final story is that we will not be able to test easier road for today. Okay. So all these guys are maybe going to Pondicherry for a ride. So that's what it is. What the hell? Did they do something wrong? So many cops. I like this guy. Super neat. He's got less accessories and super neat Insta 360. Insta 360. That's what I like about him.
இட்லி தோசை அவ்வளோதான் பொடி தோசை ஆனியன் தோசை பொடி தோசை பிளேன் கல் அது மாதிரி
தோசை கல் தோசை
கல் தோசையா
Here, this is my bike. Looks very nice. So actually this is where I wanted to go. This is my place of interest. ஒரு வண்டி முந்திர நிக்குது. நீங்க இது போட்டிருக்கீங்களா ஸ்டாண்டு?
இல்ல ப்ரோ, ஏதோ ஒரு இதுல நிக்குது. உள்ளார சென்டர் ஸ்டாண்ட்ல தான் இருந்துச்சு.
சென்டர் ஸ்டாண்ட் வர போட்டீங்களா?
சென்டர் ஸ்டாண்ட்ல வர ஓகே. என்ன சாயாம இருக்குது அவ்வளவுதான்.
நீங்க எங்க வீடு எங்க?
வாவ், சூப்பர் ஐடியா ஜி.
ஆமா, அவ்வளவுதான்.
அங்கெல்லாம் ஓட்ட முடியாதுண்ணா.
இறக்கலாம்னு பார்த்தோம், இறக்கல.
திருப்பி ஏத்துறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா,
ரொம்ப ஸ்லோப்பா இருக்கு.
ஆமா ஆமா. நீங்க மகாபலிபுரம் போறீங்களா?
போயிட்டு வந்துட்டேன். எங்க வண்டி சைக்கிள் இல்ல போறாங்கன்னு சொல்லி அனுப்பல.
நீங்க எப்படி போனீங்க?
போல அங்க அப்படியே போய் ரொம்ப நேரம் ஆச்சு, பசிக்க ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சு. போய் சாப்பிட்டு அப்படியே திருப்பி வந்துட்டேன். மகாபலிபுரம் உள்ள போல, அங்க என்ன இருக்கு? ஒன்றும் இல்லை, நம்ம பார்த்தது தானே. சும்மா டிரைவ் பண்ண புதுசா எடுத்தேன். அப்போ சூப்பரா இருக்குங்க. 411 வச்சிருந்தேன், கான்டினென்டல் இது இன்டர்செப்டர் 650 வச்சிருந்தேன். அது ரெண்டை விட இது நல்லா இருக்கு.
450 தானே இது?
452. நீங்கள் தைரியமாக வந்திருக்கீங்களா? இவர் கூட பரவாயில்ல.
உள்ளியா
ஆ.
போகும்போது எப்படி போறேன் வரும்போது வந்துட்டேன்.
செம ஹெவி இல்லை இந்த வண்டி? என்ன 200 கிலோ இருக்குமா அது?
இருக்கும்ல, அதெல்லாம் யோசிக்கவே இல்லை. நான் பாட்டேன்
இல்லை வர்றாங்க, கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டப்பட்டு போனோம் அவ்வளோ.
இங்க மட்டும் தான் அப்படி இருக்கு. கொஞ்சம் அப்படி போய் அது மேல இருந்தேன்னா கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா தான் இருக்கு. அதுவே கொஞ்சம் மண்ணு தான் அப்படியே ஒரு மாதிரி
உங்களுடைய பைக்கோடைய அந்த ட்ராக்கை பார்த்து தான் வந்தேன். I got an error message saying that the front wheel speed sensor failed. That is what I got. One of the bad decision. Thanks. Because of these guys, I was able to come out of this sand. Otherwise, I would have got stuck. It was so lucky that by God's grace, these guys were standing. But I got an error message saying that front wheel speed sensor is failing or failed or something like that. I got an error message. But once I started the ignition, the error message went off. Okay, everything is safe. Full of mud. Okay. I was riding with the performance eco mode actually. That was the problem. Eco mode. I was riding with the eco mode, so that is the reason actually I was not able to pull through the mud or sand. Otherwise, I think I wouldn't have any problem. But anyway, hereafter I'm not going to go inside that place. This place is an East Coast road. I think I had given enough stress to this bike. The stress was very huge, I think. I think the bike has gone through very big stress because I was riding through the first gear. I got an error message, all these things came up. Maybe because of sand or something, that is why I was getting that error message. That is what I suspect. That is what I am suspecting. Okay, anyway, we have come out of that place. But I thought like I'll take a drone shot. I wanted to ride the bike there to take a drone shot. That is what I was trying, and I was not able to do that. Noise is coming. I'm not sure what it is, and there is an engine light. This light keeps glowing all the time. I'm not sure what it is. I tried changing the side stand or center stand, but still the problem is there. This seems to be an engine light problem. I'm not sure what it is. If any of you guys know something about it, please let me know. Tank dent.
நான் விழுந்த வேகத்துக்கு இது
அப்போ இது ஒன்றும் பிரயோஜனமே இல்லையா?